Or maybe 11.
Ready for takeoff.
2000, baby. No,
2000.
don't point it that way, it'll head into the bushes. Point it over that way.
Don't point it towards the clothesline either.
Point it that way, Grandad, that way.
Runway full. You're clear to take off.
Go!
Woo!
Oh,
Oh my God, wow. He has it, you know.
How is it still in one piece?
I don't know.
I suppose because it's landing on the grass. If it landed on that now.
You need a lot of
Yeah, room.
Okay, Daddy, don't point
But
it that
John,
way.
it's coming
Take
down.
out the house. Grandad, point it that way.
It's coming down very fast though.
Point it that way. As if pointed it anyway
I'm
makes.
not landing it right.
Yeah, there's an adjuster on it. For sure. Pull it back from your face. Then. Ready for takeoff.
Let it go!
Watch it, watch it, watch it.
Is that a good landing?
Yeah, it was great. Yeah, it would take the head off. That's the problem.